Welcome to the Natural Cures channel. Are you worried about your liver's health? Or perhaps you're eager to discover ways to enhance the well-being of this vital organ? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll show you how to create a special tea. This blend of carefully chosen ingredients is designed to boost liver function and reduce fat accumulation within it. When these ingredients combine, they create a powerful natural remedy for your liver. Shall we dive into the recipe? To prepare this health-boosting elixir, gather these 3 key ingredients. Ginger. This root has impressive anti-inflammatory properties that can significantly reduce liver inflammation, especially crucial for conditions like fatty liver. Moreover, it contains compounds that actively protect liver cells. Notably, ginger aids digestion and facilitates nutrient absorption, alleviating stress on the liver. For our recipe, you'll need a small piece of ginger, about 1 centimeter. Grate it or slice it into rounds based on your preference. If you don't have the root, powdered ginger is a suitable alternative. Cinnamon. This spice is a multi-benefit supporter for your liver. It enhances the body's insulin sensitivity, a key factor in controlling blood sugar levels. You might wonder how this relates to fatty liver. Elevated blood sugar levels directly contribute to fat buildup in the liver. Similar to ginger, cinnamon contains compounds that shield liver cells. Its anti-inflammatory properties aid in reducing liver inflammation, particularly beneficial for conditions like fatty liver. For our tea, we'll add a pinch of cinnamon. Cocoa. Not only does it enrich the drink's flavor, but cocoa is also a fantastic liver ally. In essence, its properties and benefits closely resemble those of cinnamon. Fascinating, right? Cocoa diminishes liver inflammation and shields its cells. Additionally, it assists in regulating blood sugar levels, which when elevated, promote fat accumulation in the organ. A pinch of cocoa is all you need for this recipe. This combination of ingredients will also work wonders in improving the levels of liver enzymes ALT and AST. Heard of them before? These enzymes play crucial roles in reactions that generate energy for our bodies. Elevated levels might indicate liver issues such as inflammation, hepatitis, or fatty liver. Now that you're acquainted with the ingredients, let's walk you through the preparation steps. Start by boiling 4 cups of water, approximately 1 liter, and adding the ginger. Let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once done, remove the ginger from the cup and savor the tea in 3 to 4 portions spread across your day. Remember, this tea is not advisable for individuals taking antihypertensive, anticoagulant, or anti-diabetic medications, as it might heighten the risk of side effects or bleeding. If you found this recipe helpful, please hit the like button below. It immensely supports our work. For further insights into improving liver health, check out the video we've tailored exclusively for you above.